The surprising early forms of 15 everyday foods before harvest. 1. Walnuts, renowned for their rich, creamy flavor, undergo a transformation process before appearing in our kitchens. Walnut fruits are encased in a fibrous green husk which hardens and splits as it ripens towards autumn. Post-harvest, this husk is discarded, the shell dried to facilitate cracking, and the edible kernel collected. 2. Groundnuts, colloquially known as peanuts, are produced by herbaceous plants characterized by their yellow flowers. These plants develop their edible treasures underground, which are harvested by uprooting the plant 3 to 4 months after planting. 3. Next on the list are dates, which are grown on mature palm trees. These trees yield between 70 and 140 kilograms of sweet edible fruit every harvest season. The fruits are usually covered with bags for protection against weather elements, birds, and soil contamination. The mature dates are systematically harvested to allow immature ones room for growth. 4. Coffee, the ubiquitous morning fuel, originates from grape-sized stone fruits called coffee cherries. Once ripe, these cherries are hand-picked and processed to extract coffee beans, which are subsequently dried, polished, graded, and cleaned according to their quality. 5. The juicy pineapple takes over a year to grow to fruition. Pineapples are formed atop a central stem and are a type of multiple fruits formed by the fusion of multiple pollinated flowers into a single entity. 6. Quinoa, a nutritious pseudo-cereal, is harvested from a plant known as goosefoot. This plant, which thrives in high altitudes, bears branches with clusters of orange, red, or purple flowers. The various flowering branches mature at different times and are usually harvested by hand. 7. Artichokes are essentially immature flower buds with protective outer leaves, known as bracts, covering the meaty base or the heart. These are harvested when they reach their full size and before the bracts begin to unravel. 8. Saffron, a highly prized spice, is derived from the crimson stigma of its flowers. These flowers are harvested at dawn in autumn before wilting during the day. The labor-intensive process yields just 1 gram of saffron threads for every 150 flowers. 9. Black pepper plants are perennial vines that can grow up to 4 meters long, requiring a tree or pole for support. The pepper plant produces dark green fruits in clusters on spikes protruding from the vine's leaf nodes. They are harvested and sun-dried to retain their potent flavor before full maturity. 10. Pistachios are found in clusters on female trees, each yielding around 50 kilograms of seeds biennially. Commercial cultivars' ripe shells crack open with a notable pop, signifying they are ready for harvest. 11. Vanilla beans are products of orchid vines, taking 6 to 8 months to mature. Post-harvest, these beans go through days of processing and drying to develop their distinctive aroma. 12. Cocoa beans, the basis of chocolate, grow in pods hanging from the tree trunk. When ripe, these pods transition from green to orange or red. The beans are nestled in segmented pulp, which breaks down through fermentation before being dried and sent to chocolate factories. 13. Almonds come with a green-gray leathery exterior covering fibrous flesh that splits open when ripe, revealing a shell protecting the almond seeds. Post-harvest, the fruits undergo further drying, and the shells are cracked to collect the seeds. 14. Dragon fruit, or pitaya, is a tropical cactus fruit taking a month to develop post-pollination. Initially green, these fruits morph into a vivid pink color upon ripening. 15. Lastly, cashews are unique with a pear-shaped accessory fruit, the cashew apple, and a green-gray kidney-shaped true fruit. Harvesting happens when the apple turns from green to red, and the true fruit is processed, shelled, and husked to obtain the final edible nut.